What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is doing well. And I am going to have a good time sharing this story with you. Before we get into the title at hand, make sure you support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button and make sure that you are subscribed. So, fractional gold, I've sold off, and I sold off some silver eagles and maple leafs. Allow me to explain why. My goal is to aim for the big upgrade. What's the big upgrade? Well, it's the number one gold that I prefer that's on my list when it comes to 1 ounce gold, and that's the American Gold Eagle. I sold some fractional gold, some silver eagles, and some maple leafs to buy 3 1 ounce American Gold Eagles. And I took advantage of online purchases for the Gold Eagles, which were at spot deals. So it worked out well. Now, I did not have to sit on these metals for long because on the side, part-time, I actually resell metals. So for me, the GSR is irrelevant. I buy metals and I buy them at bulk, but I only buy what people don't want, so they're selling that spot. Or if you buy everything, they will sell it below spot. And then you find the highest bidder, the highest buyer for your items, and you sell to that individual with your premium that you feel that will work for you. So attach a premium on there. Make some money. Sell off in bulk, make some money, go into cash. Once you go into cash, your profits off of what you have sold will actually drive down your cost average on the metals that you have purchased for your reselling stack. But also, if you keep some items out of that stack, again, your profits are driving down your cost average. And at some point, do the math. Not only your cost average of what you pay for your metals will be lower, but some of your items will be paid for free and clear, which is the case for me. I had a lot of silver eagles and maple leafs that on average, my cost average overall was 31 bucks. And some of those were actually free and clear, paid for due to the profits for reselling metals. And then again, I'll roll those proceeds back into something else if there's a deal out there to be had. But then also it helps bring down the cost average every time I sell at a gain. So I can get most of my stack free and clear, and also some of my stack I can drive down the cost average. That's why it makes the GSR irrelevant. My goal is not to have thousands of ounces of silver for my personal stack, but I would take 1,000 ounces of silver to resell to you if you're interested, because my goal is gold at the end game, and it's the big upgrade, which is 1 ounce American Gold Eagles. Now, I love other 1 ounce gold coins as well, but number one, especially when it's at spot, is Gold Eagles. So I picked up 3 American Gold Eagles by selling off some fractional gold and selling off some 1 ounce silver. And that allowed me to consolidate the personal stack. So I'm playing on both sides. I'm playing on the reselling and I'm playing on building out that personal stack. Now, I did have a little bit of cash left over, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I did with some of the extra cash that was left over. I sent it over to a special place, and that special place is called BTC. It's sitting on the sidelines to pick up some more Satoshis. Yes, to buy some more Bitcoin. Now, don't freak out now. Just for some of you that might be new to my channel, I've been in the Bitcoin game when it was $17,000. And yes, I've sold some and I've done a lot of things with some of my Bitcoin. I'm going to be honest with you. I did enjoy it. Now, I didn't sell it all, okay? But I did enjoy it. So just to be clear, without giving too much information, because if you're stacking, whether it's Satoshis or if you're stacking metals, continue to stack, continue to upgrade that stack, build that stack to the way that you want it, and guess what? Continue to get wealthy, but get wealthy with silence. Don't share too much. So if you're still rocking with me this far, make sure that you are giving this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and double check to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.